Right, we've just jump started the Triumph Acclaim again. A mouse ran out of the back of it, but that's another story. We're going to try and move the Triumph Acclaim, so see you in a minute. Right, well, as you can probably see, we've got it running now. We've jumped it off of Sharon's car. We're just going to move the cars about now, and I'm going to try and move this for the first time in God knows how many years. Because I want to really turn it round and see if it all manoeuvres all right. I've got some work to do underneath. I'm going to take the fuel tank out, as I said to you before, and I've got some steering and brakes to do on it, so I just want to see if it goes first of all. Right, switch mummies off, Gary. Oh, it's got to be moved, isn't it? You have to move yours, don't you? Let me take the other leads off. Pull that in here for now, like 5 minutes there if you can. Well, there you go, it moves, it starts, it stops. So, what more can you ask for after it's been standing for all these years? We're going to clear this area out now. I'm going to leave it running for a minute anyway, so we'll see you in a second. Put it back into this place now. Set the temperature in it. Nice. Yeah, you're alright, straight back. Yeah, that's alright. Going. Bit more, just past that door, go on, keep going. A little bit more. That'll do you. Switch it off. Happy days, listen to that. Just see if it'll start again while you're there, cook it. Nah, battery's knackered, isn't it? That's alright. We knew that anyway. Starter turns over so much better now. We've got the I've cleaned it all up with the brushes and all that. That's alright, isn't it? Right again. Oh, that's it, yeah. There you go. Happy days. Right, it's moved under its own steam for the first time in so many years. How about that? Right, so that's it. Little fast blast Triumph Acclaim action. Nothing's happening in this apart from starting it and turning it around, but I'm glad you can see that it's actually running. Everything seems to work on it that I've tested anyway. So I need a new battery for it, I need new tyres, need new brakes for it, and change the gator, plus put things back together. Yeah, Gary said when we started it, a mouse come running out from the back, which is a bit unusual. I'm glad it ain't done no damage that we can see anyway, but I did notice a few mouse droppings inside as well, so I don't know how it's been getting in there. But anyway, that's that. So we're going to go now. Just a quick fast blast one. I thought you want to see this while we're getting it running. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye for now.